Here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, rain chances down today, but they'll be perking back up as the week wears on. But some pretty interesting viral video this weekend starting Saturday. Check this out. This was down in Morgan City, maybe from a security cam. Boom! A lightning strike. It's not raining, kind of a lightning bolt out of the blue. And when you get these strikes, what happens is it hits this tree, knocks the tree down. And typically what happens, and that poor lady, boy, she stepped out and then the cat didn't know what direction to go. But the tree goes down mainly because as lightning hit it, it explodes the bark. The heat of the lightning, roughly at 50,000 degrees, explodes the bark and portions of the tree. And you can see that debris shooting across the lawns here. What an incredible lightning bolt, nearly caught on camera there. And again, this made national news yesterday. I did see it on ABC, the evening news as well. So always be careful. If you hear the thunder, it's time to go. When the thunder roars, it's time to go indoors. And even if the thunderstorm's not over you and it's not raining over you, look out. You could see one of those bolts out of the blue, and that was the case down in Morgan City this weekend. Well, today, rain chances down, not much thunder and lightning because high pressure aloft and at the surface pretty much dominating across the area. But as with time, we do think that high pressure will weaken a little bit and we'll see more of a weakness in the atmosphere, and that will transfer to a better chance of scattered showers and storms. So quiet locally, but this afternoon, severe weather busting out across the Midwest. Severe thunderstorm warnings flying around the St. Louis area from Missouri through Illinois up through Indiana and into Michigan as well. This is what's called a derecho, and even a couple of tornado warnings by Fort Wayne. This is where you can see straight line winds in excess of 70, 80, and in some cases up to 100 miles an hour. So it's been rough for our friends to the north, but all that action bypassing us as we're under the influence of a surface ridge of high pressure just south of St. Mary Parish this afternoon, just allowing for just one or two isolated showers over southeast Louisiana. And locally, we're picking up on an isolated cell just east of Coteau Homes on the western flank of the Atchafalaya Swamp. That's drifting slowly to the east, but elsewhere, pretty quiet across the region and quiet across the Gulf of Mexico. We have some storms down toward the Bay of Campeche, but nothing organized. It's quiet through the Caribbean. That's always good as you head into the middle part of August. But during the mid and latter part of the August month, year in and year out, you start to see these tropical disturbances coming off the African coast. We have one emerging off the African coast and another tropical wave that the National Hurricane Center is giving some attention to right now. They do think it's got a moderate chance of becoming a tropical depression over the next few days, and it would be developing probably sometime around the middle part of the week in this zone, we think. But down the line, if we track it on the computer models, it kind of runs out of gas and runs to a more hostile environment as it gets closer to the Caribbean. So we'll watch this. Also along the mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas, there could be another area of low pressure that develops by this weekend. So that could be another hot spot to watch. And again, that system looks like it just fizzles out to a tropical wave, but there is some tropical moisture loading here in the Western Caribbean. We'll keep an eye on that, but that's 9-10 days down the road. No issues over the next week, and that is certainly good news. So in the near term, a quiet forecast, mostly sunny start, partly cloudy finish with a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Rain chances getting back to about 30% or so, give or take 10%. Mid-70s your low tonight, a warm and humid evening overall with mainly fair skies. Look for Jupiter, Saturn in that southeastern sky, moving into the southern sky and nearly overhead as the night wears on. Venus, the bright planet in the morning hours. I've had a number of messages about that one as well. Mostly sunny early tomorrow, partly cloudy, a few more clouds tomorrow. 93 the high, so maybe not quite as hot as today, but still humid. Heat index near 100 and your rain chance 30%. Rain chances perking up as we indicated as we go toward the end of the week, but no severe weather. But again, when you get more thunderstorms, you get that lightning and some locally heavy downpours. Rain chances should tone down for the weekend. We'll see if that trend continues as the week wears on. Jim?